resentment, and grievance have blossomed to the point that now every discussion has become an instrument of war by other means, right? This competition is everything, and it's everywhere. But who is it that competes, right? For all the breathless talk of radicalism and the increase of extremes, which do exist, they are out there, they are happening, I see very little in the way of this blood sport sort of spreading as a kind of contagion amongst banks. Right? As far as the average worker should be concerned, the largest political parties in any given election in any given country tend to be two different brands of the same Pinkerton. Right? Everywhere that matters, prices go up while wages fail to keep pace. Institutions, governmental and corporate, have borrowed and spent the wealth of a generation that will never enjoy its fruits. And what are you going to do about it? You see this happening. It's not, advertised, but it is apparent. If you are the average person, you're going to write a hilariously mean tweet about it, about someone that you don't like. You're going to impose it on them. You're going to pick the target of hate, and you're going to express that hate. And then you're going to post a picture of yourself, in contrast, looking extremely cool on Instagram. You're going to do these things from a device that you paid for, but you don't truly own, using apps that answer to just about anyone who is not you. And for what? For the likes. Everything is for the likes. It's for the approval of peers. It's in pursuit of that brief, shining moment that we can leave this decaying hellscape behind and be elevated to the attention of those that we care about, the attention of the proud. And this is to say that the internet is broken because institutions are competing against the individual, while the individual competes amongst itself. And this is by design. Competition is everywhere, but only amongst the powerless. We are set against each other in 1,000 ways, from morning until night. We are encouraged to perform in this daily talent show where even when we win, the only reward is the drumming of faraway fingers on a little red heart icon. Meanwhile, there is no competition at all amongst those who rent out the stage upon which these little dramas that represent our lives are played out on. The little dramas of their lives, these little people called we. From ad space to electricity to bandwidth to rent, we pay and we pay and we pay. We pay for the privilege of competing in a contest that society cannot win.